Namaste friends, welcome to Vedic Astral Science. As you know, we are discussing the classifications of Rashis by various types of categorizations. Okay, and today in this video, we will classify the zodiac signs or Rashis on the basis of four directions. Okay, that is east, south, west, and north. Let me highlight the portion so that you can understand which part we are covering today in our video. Okay, so we will be talking about this column which I have highlighted. Okay, the direction part. So let us begin. You can see that unlike the previous two classifications by means of locations and kingdom, where we use the cardinalities or Shakti or energies of the Rashis, here in this classification of direction, it is associated with four basic elements or tattvas, which are fire, earth, air, and water. Okay, now let me change the slide, friends, so that you can easily understand which Rashis indicate which direction. Okay, so here please focus on the uh, highlighted part. Okay, okay. So all the fire signs, that is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, indicates east. All the earth sign, that are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, represent south. All the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, represents west, and all the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, represents north. So what we have done here, we have classified Rashis in four categories with a set of three Rashis in each category. Okay. Now let us understand the rationale behind assigning a particular direction to particular type of Rashis and elements. Okay, so focus on the Kalpurus Kundali or the Aries ascendant chart in the slide. Okay, we will see how fire element is associated with the east direction. Well, ascendant is the Rashi rising in the east horizon, and east is also the direction where sun rises. At the time of sunrise, you will always find sun in the ascendant. Apart from that, Aries is the exaltation sign of sun, and sun signifies Agni Tattva, okay, or fire element. So east direction is represented by Aries and the other two Rashis in the trine therefrom, okay, or other two Rashis of fire element, you can say, Leo and Sagittarius. So if you see the compatibility of the Agni Tattva planet, that is the Sun and Mars, okay, then you will see that they are extremely strong in the Dharma Trikon Rashis. Okay, so now let us take the sign Libra. Okay, the natural seventh house of Kalpurus Kundali. So this is the setting position of Sun, and Libra is also the sign where Sun gets debilitated, and where the power of Sun diminishes, rises the power of Saturn. Saturn gets Digval here in the seventh house, and the sign Libra is also the sign where Saturn is exalted. And if you see the elemental configuration of Saturn and the sign Libra, then both represents air element. Okay, and in Vastu Shastra, Saturn signifies west direction in the same way as Sun signifies east. Okay friends, now let us move to the next slide for more clarity. Okay, So we have already discussed about the fire element and air element, and their relationship with direction east and direction west. Okay, and now we are going to talk about earth element and water element. Okay, so let us take the sign Virgo first. Okay, the exaltation sign of Mercury, the planet of earth element. Okay, and also in the other two rasis uh, which belong to this earth group, that is Taurus and Capricorn, Mercury is pretty compatible in these signs also because they are the rasis of Mercury's friends, okay, of Venus and Saturn. So here also you can see that the elemental correlation is being established from both the sides. Well, here you may say that Mercury represents north direction in Vastu, and I am not saying that Mercury represents south. Okay, I am just establishing the association between earth element and south direction with the help of the planet Mercury, because Mercury is a planet of earth element. Okay, in Vastu Shastra, Mars represents south. So don't get confused. We are understanding the elements and direction with the help of planets of same element or tattva. Now let us take the sign Pisces. It is the exaltation point of Venus or Shukra, and Venus is a planet of water element or Jala tattva. So here also, among the three rasis of water element, we found a planet of the same element being exalted. Okay, so in this way, again the elemental correlation is being established. And apart from Venus, if you take Moon, another planet of water element, then Cancer is one sign of Moon, and Moon is also pretty compatible in Pisces. Though Scorpio is the sign of debilitation for Moon, it is a friendly sign. Okay, so we can say that the planets belong to the same element, functions very well in these signs represented by the same element. Okay, however, according to Vastu Shastra, Mercury represents the direction north. Okay, this is as per Vastu Shastra. Okay, so this is all about the elemental correlation between four directions, rasis and planets. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about the application part of this concept, as in how to apply these directions in practical level, okay, or in predictive level. Okay. So we will discuss with some example in the next video, and we'll also learn a few techniques to apply this concept. Okay, so happy learning, stay fine, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.